Hey guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Right, I've got another donation video. I was on Freegal, somebody messaged me. Actually, I've had a couple of people messaging me this week on Freegal. Both with PlayStation, Sony PlayStation stuff. Now I've got for my birthday the PlayStation Mini, but I always do with another PlayStation in the garage, so let me take it out. There we go. Nothing fancy, nothing over the top. Kind of dirty looking PlayStation. Oh, lovely. And this is from Eric. Eric was from just outside Mansfield. I mean, I don't see why this shouldn't work. It's a... I think it's rattling then. It's a 9002, so it's an older generation one. Just fine. They always work. I'd like the one with the ports on the back. Other than that, it's perfectly fine. Perfectly serviceable. I've got the one that's already rigged up with the PSIO, so that's fine. Just, why not? Inside it as well, there was a PlayStation demo disc. I've got a few more demo discs anyway, so they all just seem to be hidden away for no reason inside. People do forget about them. And also a couple of games. World Championship Snooker and Dragon Ball Z Ultimate Battle 22. And the disc on this one looks just normal, filthy, grubby, like discs do get. The cover not in this case properly, like they do. Snooker comes with a booklet, an unusual dirty disc, which is fine. Well, that's broken as well on there, so that won't stay in there at all. It's just fine, I don't mind. I'm considering doing a full collection on something one day. Don't know what, don't know how, don't know where. Comes with the usual cables, the RF coaxial connector with the multi-plug on the back, which is essential for these anyway. They never do stay where they're supposed to. They're not supposed to be in there. Oh well, took along. It's not a magnet. It's a piece of carbon around there. Stops a bit of RF interference and stuff. And the power cable, original grey cable for the PlayStation, which I don't really need. Everything's rigged up behind here anyway. So, but it's nice to have extras there just in case. But what's got me on this one, Eric, thank you very much, apart from the terrible controller, it's a turbo controller, don't know, turbo, analog, auto, it's another controller. I love controllers. Was this beastie, the Competition Pro Racer steering wheel and pedal set. So you've got the gear stick on the side there. It looks right good. Feels a little, yeah, it feels fine. Full control there. I'm not even sure this is a PlayStation 2 or PlayStation 1. That disconnects to go onto the cables. Oh, yeah, the cable comes off for that for the pedals, so you can just use standard controls with the steering wheel. Maybe just accelerate with X, brake like you would. Two balls on there don't like to do anything, but it's actually got both triggers on the back anyway. So I'm going to have some fun with this. A Competition Pro. I thought Competition Pro had gone years ago. They're gone with the Dodo. I just click downwards. Clicks easier that way than that. Again, easy. Because it doesn't. Yeah, I thought they'd gone way along with the Dodo, to be honest, Competition Pro, but they're not just the Oh, yeah, they did tons of joysticks, didn't they? There's one that I had for the Spectrum, is the block at the bottom with the 2 red buttons on the top and the joystick which is formed very like a ball and a stick. Yes. And I press in the middle for that. So yeah, nice little donation from Eric, from Mansfield. It connects straight into, so it must be a PlayStation 1 or 2 with the cable on there. The one for the, you see down here, has strained already, that one for the joystick. Let's give you this one. Which is a shame, I suppose, but it's not essential. It's not gonna be the first controller for the PlayStation anyway that I use. But yeah, all this for free. Absolutely brilliant, Eric. Thank you very much indeed. I do like a donation. I do wish more people would. Well, I suppose as a channel as I'm going, this channel's rolling along quite steadily, gaining a bit more steam as we're going along, and there's still a lot of reputation I need to gain yet, with as much help as I can possibly receive. But it's nice that people in the local area still have this sort of stuff and willing just to give it away to you. I didn't actually meet Eric. I met his wife and his kid, and it was Saturday morning. I just went down, picked it up. It was really good. Thank you very much. But you know, like I say, it's nice that people still have this to give away, and not just think we'll just go on eBay and flog it on eBay. Because this stuff, to be honest, on eBay would probably be, I don't know, £5, maybe a tenner if you're lucky. I mean, it's a non-game with a non-game. I know Dragon Ball Z's a big franchise, but not over here in the UK. But it's... And snooker's just snooker, really. Even though it says 9 out of 10, 94%. The demo disc, yeah, you can find these around, but they're not many around lately. That's the second one I've got. I'm not sure which official magazine one I've got, or the other one I think was 96 or something like that. But yeah, these are either worth a lot of money or they're not. For some reason I thought that one actually have opened up. No. I had to unscrew, do something underneath there, folding the cables on. Yeah. But yeah, it's probably costing the £10 in postage as well, so most people don't bother. But if you've got something you want to donate, please consider giving me a message. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Instagram, which you can't really message me. There's an email address that I have as well. The links are in... Links not in the description. They're in actually my channel description. But probably message me possibly on Facebook or Twitter. If you've got anything to donate, actually message below this video. Comment on the video. I read every single one of the comments I get from you guys. Whether or not I reply to all of them is a different matter. Some don't seem to look like I should need to reply because there's more of a comment that doesn't need a reply, especially on a lot of the Star Trek videos, just pointing out something that I've missed. And I'm grateful people do point out things I've missed, which I'm not brilliant at doing these videos. I quite enjoy doing them, to be honest. It's good fun, really. And if the channel massively kicks off, because I've been doing it nearly a year and a half now, if it massively kicks off, then I'd be really, really grateful. But at the minute, we're still small, we're still plodding along. Hopefully, things might happen eventually, but like I say, you got anything, please comment. We'll arrange something. I'll pay postage if it's a long way away. Well, long way away as in, well, actually, from anywhere, to be honest. Yeah. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Thank you very much, Eric, for the contribution. The PlayStation, the Competition Pro steering wheel, the controller, and the games. Massive thank you, a big thumbs up. For the rest of you out there, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please follow me and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.